I picked up USD prime ribeye from the store today. I'm going to reuse it to make my own version of the ultimate steak sandwich. For the sandwich, I bought some vegetables to go with it. Bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, a mix of mushrooms, and half of a baguette. First, let's prepare a tomato relish. Cut onions and bell pepper into slices. You can use any color pepper you like. It doesn't have to be just yellow and red. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half and thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic. Heat up a pan and add some olive oil. Put in cherry tomatoes and season generously with salt and pepper. I'm using a wooden spoon to gently smash tomatoes while cooking. What I'm looking for is a slightly chunky consistency. Add the sliced peppers and onions and cook them until softened. Add garlic and give it a few tosses. Once all the vegetables are soft and tender, add about 1 tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar. Taste it to see if you like it. Mine seems to need a little bit more salt. Now let's take off the mushrooms. Heat up a smoking hot pan with a touch of olive oil. Add the mushrooms and again season them generously with salt and pepper. When sauteing mushrooms, you want to hear the sizzling sound when they hit the pan. Otherwise, they will end up steaming instead of getting that nice caramelization. Take the mushrooms out and drizzle them with 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Toss them together with a knob of butter. It's time to cook this beautiful steak. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Heat up smoking hot pan with a touch of oil and place the steak inside. Flip the steak every 30 seconds to ensure a nice and even pink center. After cooking, let the steak rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Cover it loosely with a tin foil. While our steak is resting, slice the bread lengthwise and toast in a pan we just used to cook steak. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Turn. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. Spread a little bit of favorite mayo and honey mustard on the bread. Some lettuce and top it off with our tomato relish. Place the steak on top along with the mushrooms. Put several slices of cheese on top and let it melt. And there you have it, my version of the ultimate steak sandwich. Enjoy. Goodbye.